Students, welcome to Dr. Sourav's classes, and today we are solving ISI MSQE PEA Solutions 2025. So I've already started the series and you can find out a few questions are already being solved and being shared with you. So here with reference to why I'm telling this, because if you see minutely the question, continue with the same problem as above. Yeah, who all have appeared for this time, you have seen that 2025 they have given a question which is related to this one. So here assume that the domestic government has a target level output, and then we have to find out that the foreign government does not have any such target in mind and does not change its expenditure. What is the increase in G of the target output? So here let y is equals to 32. We have already solved, so being referring to the question, plus 0.3y star, let being it plus del G. The change in G, it will be equation 1. Next, y star will be 32 plus 0.5 y star plus 0.3 y will be 2. So here from 2, what we get? Y star is equals to 32 plus 0.5 y star plus 0.3 y. Okay, so y star minus y star. So 0.5 y star is equals to 32 plus 0.3 y, or y is equals to, or we can say y star will be 64 plus 0.6 y. This will be equation 3. So what we do, we substitute this. We substitute 3 into 1. So now y is equals to 32 plus 0.5y plus 0.3, 64 plus 0.6y plus del G, or y is equals to 32 plus 0.5y plus 19.2 plus 0.18y plus del G. So now y will be 32 plus 19.2. So 51.2 plus 0.68 plus del G. Or we can write, we have to set as it is being given y to 250 and then putting that value. So 250 is equals to 51.2 plus del G by 0.32, and after calculating it will come to 28.8. so it's 28.8. Now total new G will be what? Then 10 plus 28.8, so that's 38.8 will be my correct answer, because there is an increase in G. So option C is your correct answer.